Alright, welcome. So today I'll show you my project for the week 9. So to start off, here's the intervention form. So here's how it works. It fetches all the company names with their IDs. Then when you select one, you can select the buildings that they have, only those. So you can't select all the buildings. You can only select the buildings that are from Kessler and Sons and etc. So if I select this one, I only have these buildings and etc. etc. So alright, so building 1, battery 1, column 1, elevator 2, employee, let's say this guy, then let's say test, then let's say submit, and then now I'll get an email regarding the intervention that I have. So new intervention, description test. So customer ID is 1, the building ID is 1, the battery ID is 1, the column ID is 1, the elevator ID is 2, the affected employee ID is 5, and the description is test. So that's how it works. Now I'll get inside the code. Let me just open it up real quick. Foundation. Alright, so intervention controller. So you see, that's the controller that will define here. I define like the what's the current user ID, the current user full name. I had to also create a new full name thing inside the device login page. So whenever you log in and create a new account or something, you're gonna have to enter your name. All right. So this is for the Ajax and shit. Like there's a bit of Ajax, so I'm going to show you this one right now. Let me find it. Let me find it. I'm just gonna see how much time I'm at. Alright. We have plenty of time. Alright, so the Ajax assets. Sorry. Assets, JavaScript, and then intervention page. So here's my Ajax, so customer list, change function. So I did it in Ajax and jQuery also, because the jQuery is awesome and easy. So yeah. So batteries length, etc. It shows me the number of batteries, the ID, app and the options. So I spent a lot of time on this one. It's like a lot of trial and error, and also going to sleep at 3 a.m. But yeah, I worked a lot on that, even though it's just like basically copy and paste like the same block of code for like everything. But still, you gotta when you don't know what you're doing at first, it's still hard. All right, so that's it for the intervention thing. Oh, also I want to show you that it saves itself inside the database. If I go inside interventions, if I go to data, you can see that um, test. Well, I mean, I've always written test, but they're always here. So yeah, I have a small bug with the date and starting and ending date though. All right, so now let's get to the API. So the REST API. So here's the code. So really basic thing. I have the HTTP get thing. So what I did is filter with the S thing. So S it equals S that information the status etc. So if the status is pending and there's no date, it's gonna show it. Also, now the put thing, so this one was a pain in the ass to make, but I managed it. So you can change the status of an elevator whenever you want. Not the status, I mean, yeah, you can change the status, the start date, and the end date. And so I'm gonna show you just that with my. If I do that, is it opened? Oh yeah, hold on. Um, I need to add a capital letter. That's a bug that I need to fix. So, alright. So now if I go inside Postman, and you can see that I can get all the interventions that I have pending and no start date or ending date. And if I do put, and I do this, and I go like ID, let's let's say 1. So let's go into intervention 1, or like 3. See 1. So yeah, ID 1, sorry. Then I go intervention status, and if I do that, and I type in like testing, okay, I see. I got an error, but yeah. It's supposed to work though. Probably just my query, but I know that it's working because I used to make it work. So I'm really sorry if it's not working inside a video, but it's working.